So here we are with my trusty assistant, my blind, diabetic, incontinent pug. She's a good girl. And here is the clean air filter. Probably the hardest part of this job is emptying out your glove box. But this is so easy, I'm not even going to empty my glove box out. All you do is first you're going to go here and you're going to push in on that side. Boink, and you're going to push in on this side. Up in there. Do it a little more. It's a little weird. Boom, and then the whole thing clumps down. And then you're going to look back behind it. Oh, this is where the headlamp comes in for you. You're going to see there's a little clip right here. Pop that out. Pop that side out. Here's that piece. Just set it aside. Now I'm going to pull out the old filter. And we're going to see that it is pretty darn disgusting. Pergy, how do you like it? It's pretty gross. There you go. Check that out. That's nasty. Look at it next to the new one. Ooh. Alright, so you can see it came out with the hard pieces on the sides. So I'm just going to grab the new one, orient it in the same direction, go back to that hole back there. It's a little hard with one hand. Pop this little guy in that same space, push it in, get my little piece. Thanks, Mom. Gonna pop that back on. Pop, pop. And then I'm gonna pop this back in. Pop. And look, it's done. We've changed our air filter. Car's not gonna fog up anymore. Hopefully it's not gonna smell quite so doggy.